Those conversions may amount up to $500. They may amount to $10,000. Again, it depends on the average price of the offer. What's up, guys? It's Ayub or ViralWhirl here, back at it with a brand new video. Make sure you go ahead and smash that like button for more videos like this on how to make money online. And I'm back at it with a brand new video. Don't even ask why I have PewDiePie on the screen right here. I don't even fucking know why I searched it, okay? I don't even know why I searched PewDiePie. Searched it like 1 hour ago, and it's still on the screen. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money on YouTube exactly, or online or on YouTube with having $0, okay? You're going to be making money as a beginner on YouTube without having any money in your bank account, okay? You're a beginner to this making money online scene. You want to start making some money, you could do this. You could use this. And by the way, guys, my YouTube course, which is called Video Marketing Academy, is actually coming out in the next month. So if you guys are interested in that, if you're interested in the pre-registration in that course, I'll be going over how to start on YouTube as a complete beginner with 0 subscribers and work your way up, grow your channel, and actually start making money on YouTube without even being monetized. Or I have another section where you can make money on YouTube without even showing your face or without even uploading your own videos. So yeah, it's a course packed full of information. It's really valuable. I've been working on this course for a really long time. So if you're interested in that, go ahead. It's in the link in the description. You can sign up so you get a notification for when it comes out. It's coming out in the next month. And yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a method that you can use with $0. So basically, in this method, it involves two things. You could actually use ClickBank, or you could use JVZoo. So a lot of people, when they mention ClickBank or JVZoo, you're actually thinking to yourself, you're going to be promoting offers. You're going to be promoting offers through Facebook advertising or whatever, paid traffic. But no, this method involves $0. You don't have to spend anything from your pocket, and you could promote these offers for free, and you could get free traffic. A lot of people aren't utilizing the free traffic that YouTube gives, and I'm going to be showing you in this video how you can utilize that traffic. So basically, you head over to ClickBank or JVZoo, whatever it is you want to use. You can use both. Both are platforms that have various offers, from business investing offers to self-help to everything. Politics says it right here, to everything, okay? So you can promote anything you want, but I prefer you promote stuff in the e-marketing, e-business niche, or making money online niche, because those are what people are searching for, and those are going to get you the most money, okay? So let's head over to ClickBank. I'm already on ClickBank. I'll show you guys how you can find offers, okay? The best offers are going to be the ones with the high gravity. So let's go through popularity. Let's just go through popularity, actually. So basically, you want to go through these offers. I wouldn't promote Forex stuff because there's like, it seems kind of scammy to me, okay? But to each their own. You can promote anything you want, anything you're interested in, okay? So you just look at what you want to promote with the gravity, okay? The highest gravity means it's high converting. So we go through the first page. The first page is obviously the highest converting ones, and it's a Forex product, okay? Say you want to promote that Forex product, okay? These products give you an affiliate page. Once you sign up, you get an affiliate link to that page, and with that affiliate link, you could use that to promote to other people on YouTube or pay traffic, but in this method, I'm going to show you through YouTube. And within that link, they actually already have the funnels already created, so you don't have to do anything. You just you give people that link, and once they go through that link, they usually have ways to convert that person, okay? They use webinars, they use email marketing to convert that person. So all you have to do is get that person through that link, and they do the rest. So once a sale goes through, you make $107. That's the average per sale, and that depends if they upsell them. If they upsell them, you can get more, but that's the initial sale, $107. And some of these do have rebills, which means it's reoccurring. So if you do sell someone an offer, sometimes you can find offers that are reoccurring. So you get a payment each month. It's passive income. So once you do find that offer, I suggest you go through the business investing or computers in e-business. Okay, go through ones like this. This looks like it could be a high converting one because it's actually from ClickBank and it's recurring for life. You're going to be getting profits each month. You're going to be getting passive income each month. So this is CB University. It's ClickBank University. ClickBank came out with this offer. It's already highly optimized. As you can see, you can earn up to $306 per sale, but the initial sale, average sale, is $169. Once you find the offer, let's say we're going to be promoting this offer. You sign up, you click promote, and once you sign up for your account, or you already have an account, you put your account nickname here and the tracking ID. And then you generate the hop links. They give you the link that you can promote. Once you have that link you want to promote, you go on YouTube, okay? So CB University is a really popular offer, okay? So a lot of people are going to be promoting this CB University review. So what you can then do is make a video on this. You can make a video reviewing CB University, Clickbank University. See, this video has 1.5K views in the last 7 months, okay? In the last 7 months, it doesn't have much views, but you got to think, how many of these people actually went to that link and converted? It's a high converting offer, okay? And people are searching for it. So they're searching their review. So think they're already buyers. They're already interested in the product. They're already interested in the offer. All they got to do is hear a review from someone, and then they go through and purchase it. So you can make a review. A lot of these people used titles like this, Truth Exposed, or Truth Revealed, or Don't Buy ClickBank University until you watch this. Those are titles they use for people to actually click, or Honest Official Review 2018. There hasn't been a 2019, so you could make a 2019 one and rank it up with SEO, simple SEO, and then you'll get people clicking on that link. Hopefully you'll get people buying. If you're a beginner with $0 and do a video like this, imagine making only one sale. You're gonna make more sales, but imagine only making one sale, and it's reoccurring. The average rebuild total, so the average reoccurring amount is $95. Imagine you get 5 people to sign up for that. That's like almost $500 each month reoccurring. So all you have to do is get 5 people, and that's pretty easy to do if you make a review on this, because like I said, people are already searching for the offer. They're already interested in the offer. They just want to hear someone's opinion on the product, and you could review the product yourself. How do you actually get the product to review? You can actually buy the product, but since you're starting with $0, you don't have to buy the product. You can search on Google. I'm not going to show you guys how to search for pirated content because that's quote unquote illegal, but if you get the gist of what I'm saying, wink wink, you could find something on Google. But yeah, that's one way you could promote stuff on YouTube, promote offers on YouTube. Another thing you could do is go on JVZoo, okay? Go on JVZoo's marketplace. Sometimes you don't like offers that are on ClickBank. That's okay. You could find stuff on JVZoo, because on ClickBank it's mostly offers that are courses or ebooks, but on JVZoo you can find software. It's mostly software, okay? It's mostly software, and this is the one I had my eye on. So it's Conversio Bot. If you search that on YouTube, let's say Conversio Bot, this seems like it's a brand new, yeah, it's today's top seller. Okay, so I'm guessing this was just launched. So you see people making videos on this 6 days ago, 6 days ago, 5 days ago, 5 days ago, and 1K views. That's crazy. 5 days ago and he got 1K views. That, again, that may not seem like a lot of views to you, but when it comes to offers, when it comes to people searching for these offers, these are hot leads, meaning these people want to purchase this product. It's just they're looking for other people's opinions, other people's reviews before they go ahead and purchase the product. So this guy made a review and he got 1K views. Okay, so imagine you get 1% of those 1K people, that's 10 people, and Conversio is actually at a commission of 60% of $39, so that's about $23. So imagine 10 people at $23, that's like $230, and you would make that in 1 week, okay, in 1 week. So that's an average conversion rate for a hot lead like this, but I'm pretty sure he would get more leads than that. But yeah, as you can see, it just came out. Okay, so Conversio Bot has a really good conversion rate, and the funnel has even higher conversion rate of 13%. That's a really good conversion rate for the funnel, which can then generate more money for you in affiliate commissions if they do buy something else, if they upsell them. So yeah, that's a really good way to find products, JVZoo or ClickBank. So like I said, guys, all you have to do is go through ClickBank or JVZoo, and you can even look at the ones that are just being launched this week, okay? So if you don't want to go in and try ranking a video because it's too saturated. A lot of people are making videos on that offer. What you can then do is actually go through right here, go through the marketplace or find products and find products that are just being launched this week, or it's like a pre-launch, okay? And then when it's a pre-launch, you could wait for it to launch and you could be the first one to make a video on that. I'm pretty sure this guy is not the first one to make a video on this because this product was launched on the 26th, but he still got 1K views. See, a lot of people are reviewing this, and one thing that I've noticed with all these, it doesn't even look like they have their SEO set up right. Their thumbnails look like shit, and their titles look like shit. So if someone could come out with a video on Conversio bot, making a review on it with a good title, a good thumbnail, and everything else with the SEO set up correctly, I'm pretty sure you would get at least 20 sales in 1 week or a month. 20 sales in a month for a beginner with $0. That's actually amazing for a beginner with $0. You're 16 years old or you're in college. That's extra money for you. That's extra money for you for some dope or maybe some hookers. You want to hire some escorts. I'm just kidding, guys. You shouldn't be doing that kind of stuff. But yeah, it's good money for you if you're a beginner. I would actually go ahead and I would suggest if you're a beginner, you try doing this, okay? Try doing this. Maybe make a channel that's based on reviewing offers. You could review 30 offers in 30 days. If you make a video every day for 30 days on different types of offers, I promise you, you're going to get at least 10 conversions. And those conversions may amount up to $500. They may amount to $10,000. Again, it depends on the average price of the offer, and it depends on the back end, the funnel, of how many upsells and all that stuff. So basically, like I said, it's really simple. We'll do all that. If you have any questions, make sure you comment them down below. If you have any questions about this, make sure you comment them down below, and I'll make a video about them again, about those questions that you guys have. Again, if you guys want to know, if you want to get notified about my course that's coming up, go ahead. It's in the link in the description. Sign up with your email, and you're gonna get an email notification for whenever it comes out. It's gonna come out in the next month, hopefully. That's the estimated date for where it's gonna come out. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, and peace.